Hey guys, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add form here on Canva website. Well, assuming you've already been editing or you have your templates right here. Let's see, on textile forms, you'd like to add something of a format that is not conversible here unless if you made any variations or changes and tweaks on the features itself. So in here are the platforms itself. So click on share here. And once you click on share here, you could copy the link if you want to upload this anywhere else, or just basically what you need to do is actually, since we are looking for a form, we have presets here, just scroll down. As you can see, you could upload this to Google Drive as well. And in here, the Microsoft PowerPoints and Microsoft Drive, these are the forms that you're looking for. You have Google Drive as well. So that's just basically, that's just how you upload and share a form here on Canva itself. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.